Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome. So here's a quick video clip on how to insert a graph in Google Docs. Okay, so I have this data right here and I need to make a graph. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to click Insert, and they call them charts, right? Charts, graphs, they interchange. And this is a line graph, right? Because I have one variable that is changing over time. So it's going to be a line graph. And they insert a template, right, with some data on there. And so I need to change that data. So I click once on the graph, and then I'm going to go up here where it says where you can link, right? So I want to open the source right here. And then you can see, second there, the template here. Takes a second to load. There we go. And I can move this to the side here eventually. So I'm going to need some more room. There we go. Move this to the side here. So so the way it's set up, you see that the x-axis, right, is column A, right, and then the y-axis is the following columns, B, C, right, for the different values. So if I look back at my data, right, my x is going to be time 0 to 60. So I can go over here, and it's going to be time 0 to 60. So I go 0, so by tens, right, by tens. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Right? Yep. Okay, and so you see that the graph automatically updates. So now I got to put in my y values, right? 0, 5.1, 8.6, 0, 5.1, 8.6, 10.4, 11.1, 10.4, 11.1, 11.2, 11.5, 11.2, 11.5. So there's my data. Now I don't have a second set of data, so I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go up here, and there's a little down arrow. See, when I go up there, you click on that and just delete the column, and it gets rid of it. And then here's my graph, right? Now there are a few things missing, right? Remember, a graph, we always want the axes to be labeled, and that's not the right title. In fact, we don't want a title. We can just get rid of that title, I think. And then we don't need the legend. So there's a few things we need to modify. So we're going to come up here, click on the three dots, edit the chart. And then the first thing we want to do, we want to customize. And it's right here, chart and axis titles. So we click on that. So first we have the chart title. We don't want a title. Just get rid of that. Well, and then we want our horizontal axis, right? Our horizontal axis, that's the x-axis, and that was time in minutes. Always include the units. So it's time, and in parentheses, minutes, right? And then you see it appears right there. And then we need our vertical axis, right? Vertical, that's the y, and it's maltose concentration in micromoles, micromolarity. So maltose concentration, I spelled it wrong, in micromolarity. All right, Now, this M right here, micro, right? That's 1/1,000,000th of a molarity. And so that's actually a symbol, right? So we have to change the font here. So highlight that little M, and it's, let's see, oh, they don't give us symbol. Oy. Okay, well, let me think. Well, then we got to write it in, because right like this, it looks like millimolarity, which is thousands, but we want micro, right? So, all right, there it is. We are done. Oh, we want to get rid of the legend. Edit chart, customize, legend, none, right? So that was customize, legend, right? Legend, and then choose none. And there's our graph. Beautiful, right? So let's see, does it update? Does not update it automatically. So you got to get rid of this one. Delete, right? And then we go and get the other one. And just click, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't let you copy it that way. So just go up to here and copy it. Then we go over here and you can paste it. Yes, we want to link to the spreadsheet. That way any changes we make on the spreadsheet changes here. And there it is. Now we just gotta make sure it fits on our page. And there it is. Beautiful graph. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully I did a good job explaining how to insert a graph in Google Docs. If you have any questions or you need any help, send me a message through Schoology and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.